Hi, this is Sarah from The Savvy Professor, and in today's video, we'll talk about the PS5 Slim Error WV-109144-9 can't connect to the server error and how to fix it. Watch the video until the end to learn this and more. The PS5 Slim Error WV-109144-9 error means your PlayStation is disconnected from the internet. Here are the possible reasons why this happens. Your PS5 has encountered temporary glitches. There's a weak signal between your router and PS5, or your router firmware is outdated. Here are the possible solutions to try. Restart your PS5 Slim. Press and hold your PS5 power button for about 10 seconds. Unplug the PS5 Slim power cable from the power source and wait for about 10 minutes. Reconnect the PS5 Slim back to the power source and turn on your PS5 Slim to see if the temporary glitches have been solved. Enhance the signal strength between your router and PS5. First, connect another device, such as your phone, to the router to confirm it's working. Restart the router to restore the connection if it's not working. Move your PlayStation closer to the router if your router is wireless to strengthen the signal. If possible, use a wired cable to connect your PS5 to the internet, as wired cables provide a strong signal. Update your router firmware. Navigate to your favorite browser and visit your router-specific website and log in using your user login credentials. Find the firmware update option and update it. The firmware update option is always in the settings. The update options may, however, slightly vary depending on the model you're using. And there you have it. These are the causes for the PS5 Slim WV-109144-9 error and how to fix them. Thanks for watching. Till next time.